In this video, I'll be showing you how to start a potato chips business with little capital right from your kitchen. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parents looking for a small business idea, then this video is for you. To begin, you will need some sweet potatoes which you can actually get from the market. Firstly, peel and wash your potatoes properly to remove all dirt. Please always use fresh and firm potatoes because it affects the quality of the potato chips, okay? So make sure you watch this video to the very end because you are going to learn how to make them crispy, package them very well, and also sell them for profit, alright? After peeling the potatoes, transfer them into a bowl. Wash and drain the potatoes because we don't want our potatoes to be wet when slicing them, alright? So I'm going to use this slicer to slice them tinely and evenly so that they fry quickly and also come out crispy. So after the whole slicing, we are going to be separating the bigger ones from the smaller ones, okay? Reason being that we cannot fry them together because if you should end up frying them together, the smaller ones will get burnt before the bigger ones. After that, heat up some oil and start frying. Please make sure your oil is hot enough in the beginning so that it can be able to shrink the potatoes immediately, because if your oil is too cold, it is definitely going to soak oil and it will not come out very well. Once you notice that the potatoes have shrunk, you can go ahead and reduce the heat, then start frying on a medium heat until it turns golden brown, alright? Don't forget to start with the bigger ones before the smaller ones, okay? Once it's golden brown, take off the heat and allow to cool down. Repeat the process for the rest of the potatoes, and also don't forget to fry on a high heat in the beginning. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Please subscribe to this channel if you have not, Like this video, turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video, and lastly, go down to the comment section to tell me you've done all of that. And also to my returning subscribers, thank you for the love and support. So guys, our chips is ready. Allow to cool off completely before going ahead to package. And as you can see, the smaller ones and also the bigger one. To package these chips, you'll be needing a transparent nylon or a plastic container. This will make your chips look professional and also attractive to customers. Go ahead and seal it up using this strip, or you can actually tie it like that. Any of them is okay. Your packaging will depend on how much you want to be selling each chips after tying them, okay? In case you don't know how much to sell each of them after packaging them, you can actually do your costing. With that, you will know how much to sell each of the chips, alright? Always price your chips in a way that covers your cost and also give you profits, okay? It is very important in business. You can actually start selling these chips to your friends, schools, offices, and also nearby shops. Make sure your chips are always fresh and tasty. With good packaging and clean presentation, I bet you customers will keep coming back. Remember, consistency is the secret, and you can grow this business from your kitchen into something very big with patience and good marketing. With that being said, let me know how much you'll be selling each of these chips if you have to sell them. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share with someone who might be needing this idea. Bye for now, and I will see you on my next video.